Bullish Dogelon Mars cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market experts accept elon could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair general money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital money, yet additionally a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Unexpectedly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital currency has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This cryptographic money guide will uncover all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based biological system used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and compensating givers. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper framing its main goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens regarding utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets, yet that is valid for pretty much every advanced cash. Notwithstanding, the Dogelon Mars designers have done a couple of novel things. 1. Elon Group didn't do a presale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair cash. 2. The undertaking's underlying stockpile was 1 quadrillion elon tokens. 3. The engineers duplicated Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the elon tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a foundation devoted to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel elon's drawn-out incentive for basically a year. The makers of this specific canine coin are obscure, just like the makers of its more noticeable and laid-out cousin. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins. And financial backers really should practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to pernicious practices, for example, mat pulls and leave tricks. Elon has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. Assuming you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top digital money trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right currently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0. Elon has moved 0.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,439,843. Dogelon Mars is as of now positioned 785 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $93,936,211 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The elon cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progression. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogelon Mars elon cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of elon will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the elon's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Elon might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dogelon Mars will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ELON cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And as per Dogelon Mars cost expectation, future costs will be bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise speculation. Be that as it may, ELON's development still up in the air by the condition of the market at that point, as there is no connection between the Dogelon Mars ongoing worth and its future cost. It is, notwithstanding, subject to the variables that arise during the market's development and advancement stage. These are the variables that will shape an ELON's future. On the other hand, you could explore the subject. Token holders can assist you with settling on a first-time purchaser in this market. Nonetheless, in view of the unstable idea of the crypto market, anticipating the specific worth of any single money in advance is troublesome. What is the Dogelon Mars cost today? Today, Dogelon Mars is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $93,936,211. Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? Dogelon Mars ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that ELON is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Dogelon Mars at any point